Michelle Troconis is possibly heading towards another trial. This afternoon, a judge set a trial date for the contempt of court charge that she picked up during her original trial in the disappearance of Jennifer Farber-Dulos.
Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now. He is outside Stamford Superior Court with more on what happened there today. Matt?
No, Mark and Aaron, that trial set for March, though both sides are expected to be back here at Stamford Superior Court at least one more time before then. As for that criminal contempt of court charge, the defense, well, they say others are to blame.
Usually there's an interest in trying to find out who gave the report to the person if they weren't supposed to. Here we're pursuing Ms. Troconis for that.
Michelle Troconis back in court today as her defense attorney in the state clear up some issues regarding her contempt charge. The focus, that sealed Dulos family custody evaluation and psych report spotted on her laptop during her trial last winter, in which a jury eventually convicted her of conspiracy to commit murder and the disappearance of Jennifer Farber-Dulos, her then boyfriend's wife. Defense attorney Robert Frost wanting to know specifically what court order she violated. The state arguing it's pretty clear.
I think all three court orders, and each time it was reiterated by Judge Randolph on the record during trial that this report was to be remained sealed because it was discussed quite a bit during that lengthy trial.
A friend of Farber-Dulos who was in the courtroom that day spotted the document on the computer. The state says the contempt charge stems from not just Troconis' possession of that sealed report, but also claiming her attempt to publicize it, something her lawyer disputes, blaming the courtroom videographer.
Because they happened to do something they weren't supposed to do, and somebody who is aligned with the victim's family was upset about it, it then got elevated to a contempt allegation, which is where we are today. And the fact that it couldn't be read by anybody, and there's not one witness that says they did read it, to me, I'm surprised that it's still being pursued, but I understand that we need to deal with the charge.
Outside of court, Troconis' family says they're still going forward with her appeal.
Her defense team is committed to overturning this injustice and restoring her freedom.
Now the trial is set for March 11th. The two sides are scheduled to be back here in February to sort of tie up any pending issues and also address at that time whether Michelle Troconis will opt for a jury trial or if her and her defense team will rather have a judge decide it. We're live at the mobile newsroom in Stamford. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.